Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a stunning parallax effect using Canva. This effect gives a scene of depth and movement, perfect for adding a dynamic touch to your video. First, open a blank video template in Canva. We want a clean slate to start with. Next, change the background color to something that complements your scene. For this tutorial, we'll go with a warm desert themed color. Head over to the Elements tab and search for Desert Mountain. Choose the graphics you like and arrange them on the canvas. Make sure they overlap slightly to create a layered effect. Once you're happy with the placement, group these elements together and adjust them to sit nicely in the middle of the canvas. Now go back to the Elements tab and select an oval shape. Add this to your design and resize it as shown in the video. After placing the oval, crop it to fit in the design. Then group the mountains and the oval shape together. Search for tree in the elements. We want something in an orange shade to match our desert theme. Select the tree graphic and resize it. Position it on the left side of the scene. Repeat this process for another tree, placing it at the right bottom corner. Search for bushes in the elements and set an orange color filter to match our theme. Select a few graphics and arrange them at the bottom. Add some grass elements as well to enhance the scene. Once done, group the trees, bushes, and grass together. Now let's add sun. Search for sun element and add it to your design. Send it behind the mountain and tree layers and hide it for now. To add some clouds, search for clouds in the elements. Choose clouds that fit your orange theme and place them in the sky. Make sure they add to the depth of the scene. Select the tree layer and increase its size as shown in the video. Do the same for the mountain layer. This scaling will help create the parallax effect when we animate the scene. Duplicate the page to create a second frame. On this new page, rearrange and resize all the elements to create a scene of movement. Move the clouds slightly out of the frame to make them look like they are drifting. Ensure that the hidden parts of the clouds are still within the canvas boundary. Otherwise, they might get deleted. Drag the sun up into the frame, creating the effect of it rising. This adds to the dynamic feeling of the scene. Let's spice things up. Search for tumbleweed and add it to the page. To animate it, select Create Animation, then draw a path for the tumbleweed to follow. Add a rotate motion effect and adjust the rotation speed. Make sure to send the tumbleweed behind the tree layer. Next, search for animated birds and add them to the scene, placing them behind the tree layer as well. Animate the birds and set the animation speed to your liking. Now add transition between two pages. Select Match and Move. Increase the duration to maximum for a smooth effect. And that's it. Your parallax effect animation is complete. Just download the final video as an MP4 to save it to your device. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and learned something new. See you next time.